Welcome to Samit Karyala. Today we're going to be talking about the balance of the environment. So, what is the balance? So the balance is, I guess, the man, like the man businesses and all of those, like the things that harm the environment, and the other balance, which is the environment, the other balance is the environment. One is man-made, and then this is man-made products, and this is environment and man-made. So it's like this. But the man-made is starting to become like this, kind of. So, what we're going to be talking today about the balance of the environment is about how the man-made product is harming the environment that it makes up like this. So, you see, the trees are starting to become cut down, and more of the man-made, functions and all of those are adding these chemicals into the environment. That's making it like this. What can we do to save the environment? So, and then one thing, we can restore less use of our, electrical things, or things like the laptop. And even though electricity doesn't mix harm to it, it can also be a part of global warming though. You see, a laptop is electrical, right? But when you feel it, if you put your hand on the bottom, you feel it hot, right? That can also cause the global warming. Even though it's not a greenhouse gas, it is still kind of like carbon dioxide. So, it is still kind of like carbon dioxide. And it still does melt, the glaciers, like the icy glaciers and those stuff. So that's why, and it mixes up with the global warming and greenhouse gases like that. Yeah, it mixes up with the air, and the air becomes hot with the electricity energy. That energy just, melts down glaciers and add a lot of problems, just like global warming. And then, if you want to tell all of your, all the ways you can save the environment, then just comment down below if you want to. All you have to do is just do much as you can, right, of course. You have to tell otherwise. And then, there's some other ways too. There can still be solar power to energy instead of coals and oils. Or we could use wind power. Of course. So now, we'll be talking of what happens if one wastes too much and the other wastes less. Even if the man-made wastes less and the environment wastes more. Like example, this is the environment and this is the man-made, right? So, and then this environment becomes like this. And the man-made is weighing more, and the environment is weighing less. If it was like that, then the man-made would make living things and all of those, and soil and all of those being like a problem to living things, even us sometimes, because of carbon dioxide and those energy we store that makes up with global warming to come here, and then it mixes up like that. And sometimes if those heat from the computer mixes up with melts the glaciers, and they become more water, that it creates floods, and the islands might even sink. Then every living thing might even die, except maybe for the marine living things. But most of the living things have died then, if that happened. And if the man-made was weighing less and the environment was weighing more, and then some of our stuff would like not even work and the electricity will be down and like all of those problems would happen to human products. Then humans are able to do less. And then that's what happens if it's not balanced. How do we make it balanced? If the environment is way more, then we could add a little bit of chemicals and make it like this. Or instead, we could cut down a little, make a little of the environment uncozy and make it die like that. If that's what we can do, of course. If the environment is weighing less, then what we have to do is cut less trees and plant more trees, and you restore less energy. And then it's coming like this. And that's all about the balance of the environment. Environment and man-made products. And if you like my channel, press the like button. Bing! If you dislike it, then press the dislike button. If you want to subscribe, press the subscribe button right below. And don't forget to comment down below how much you can list of the way to save the environment, and comment down if you like my channel. And don't forget to touch the token. Bye!